Hey guys, welcome back to Multi-Theft Auto Junkie's scripting tutorial series. Today I'm going to be showing you, or guiding you to create your own script to get your player's position when they enter a certain command. This tutorial will be covering command handlers and some basic element functions, along with trigger, client, and server event functions. Well, let's get into it. First, you're gonna need to open your my computer. I don't have that because I'm on 8.1. So I'm gonna open Explorer. Go to this PC. Boom. Go to the drive you have your script on, or your multi-theft auto installation on. Then go to resources. Go to the folder we created last time. Maybe no, my bad, we did not create this last time. So what I'm going to need you to do is create a folder named whatever you want the resource name to be. So let's say position command. Sorry about that. Create 3 files: client.lua, server.lua, meta.xml. I need you to open meta.xml. Yeah. Open it. When you right click and click edit, it opens it Notepad++. You don't want to do that, or at least I don't. You want to open it in Sublime Text 3. Next, you're going to want to write this: the meta tags, and then script tags, and then for every file you want to put in, or script, you put the type, and then the source. The type and then the source, and this says whether or not it's using client-side or server-side functions. After you do this, you should have everything loaded and you can start scripting. Let's get to the client-side script. So what we want to do here is we're going to want to create a function. Let's say function get the position, parentheses, then go down 2 lines and put it in. Here's where you would put arguments later, which I'll explain later. My bad, I forgot. You don't even know. Yeah, so you're gonna want to put player in here, because when you use add command handler, you will have all of this. Sorry, somebody was yelling in the background. So you will need to fill this out. When you can need to put the string of the command you want, and then the name of the function that it will execute when you put that command. Get the position, whether or not it's restricted, and if it's case sensitive. I usually just leave those blank because the default is false. Now, when somebody does /get pos or types it in console, this will be executed. Let's test it. Test, exclamation mark. I'm gonna pause the video while I load up. Alright, I'm back. You're gonna want to start your development server, by the way. I almost forgot. So what you need to do for this is go to the folder where we created the files. Go back to resources, deathmatch, mods, server, start the exe. If you did what we did in the first episode, you'll be admin and be able to do what you need to. Waiting for it to start. Alright, what you're gonna want to do is go into local and I'm gonna pause the video until this is done. And it's done loading. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to the development server. Sorry this taking so long. I'm also rendering a video at the same time, so yeah. Alright, there we go. So let's do... I had already registered. / register, and then you just log in. Refresh. Now search in here, or you want to click refresh list. Then you want to put in the name of the folder that you used last time, or in the server thing. So let's go back. Position command. Position command. Get test. The one above it is from the play game mode. I will stop that. See, and there the command works. Now we need to figure out the functionality code, or the functional code, which is like what makes stuff happen. So the player is a player element that we can get the position of with get element position. So it returns 3 integers, x, y, and z. So x, y, z equals get element position. And then you put the element you want to get the position of, and bam, we have our variables. Next, you're going to want to get the dimension and interior. So you do get element dimension player logo. And then interior would be equal get element interior player output checkbox. Your position is couldn't see my keyboard for a minute. If you want to add variables to the string, what you need to do is dot the variable and open parentheses, close parentheses, y z, and it will say print position. Let's try it. Yep. Uh-oh, we had an error. A no value. Alright, so I did something wrong. Let's see. Oh, my bad. We need to change these to local player. And then we need to restart the resource again. And there it goes. It returns our exact coordinates on the or GTA map. With this, we can also set it so the user's clipboard, what they copy and paste from, is set to those numbers. The way we can do this is with a function called set clipboard, which is pretty self-explanatory. Set clipboard. This is a client-side only function, like there are server-side only functions. And then you can do, well, I'm just gonna copy paste. Okay, now let's see if we can restart. Okay, copy paste. Okay, it's still that. Well, let me make a new. Okay, there we go. / get position, and boom, copies it for you. This will help you a lot in later. because you're going to be getting coordinates for tons of things, objects, markers, spawn points, anything really. Yeah, that's the end of this tutorial. I didn't really get to trigger side, server side event and trigger client side event, but we will get to that in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. This was multi-theft auto junkie. See you later.